What are these escape sequences? So let us consider a scenario why you need this escape sequences. For an example, you have run a sample program where you were trying to print welcome to tutorials point. So what you did? You have created a data type and then the variable, and in that variable you provided, or you printed the direct character of sequences, right? And those characters was welcome to tutorials point in a single line. But what if I want certain other characters in that particular string, or when you are representing or giving an output of a character like my grade is A, along with that A you need certain other character. What you do? In those cases we use escape sequences. So in Java we have certain escape sequences which satisfy our need. For an example, you want to print welcome in first line and then to tutorials point next line. In that case, what you can do is that you provide the complete string under single quotes with additional one escape sequence in between welcome and tutorials point. So let us see how it works. These are the certain example or few of the escape sequences which will understand how do you work with, where n, so this is nothing but backward slash, and n, this is for the new line which we already spoke about, welcome next line tutorials point. What if you need a tab space, or where you need only a space between characters? In those cases again you can use backward slash t, backward slash s. In what cases you want like a quote you want to display? In that case, where you are trying to display a quote, you would want to display a quote along with a single quote or along with double quotes. In those cases, you again use escape sequences. In this example, we will be seeing how can you use this escape sequences in your real-time program. So let us now see practically how to use these escape sequences. In this program, we will see how to use the escape sequences or the escape character. We have already created a class called escape sequence with the main method. In the earlier program, you have seen how to display a string welcome to tutorials point. Similarly, we would be trying to display string here called he said hello tutorial point, but using certain escape sequences where each escape sequence has certain meaning. How do you write an escape sequence? We write a backward slash following t, where both of this character means a tab. He said, again following backward slash n, where backward slash and n is nothing but for the new line. Let us see the output of this particular program. We first save the file, Ctrl S, and then click on F11 to see the output. In the output, as you can see, there is a tab which is backward slash t and then the message he said. In the next line, it displays hello because you have mentioned backslash n, which stands for next line character. Again, after hello, you can see there is a backward slash n which is for the new line, so you have an empty line here. Then it prints tutorial point. The next line says hi backward slash r hello. The backward slash r stands for carriage written. Therefore, you see hi, next line hello.